Creating a national strategic Bitcoin reserve may be the most important bill passed in America for centuries. The United States is bankrupt, and the only way to fix it is a national strategic Bitcoin reserve, a new superior form of money early in its global monetization. Since Donald Trump has been elected president of the United States, there's been a number of interesting discussions around whether the US should actually build a national strategic Bitcoin reserve. I haven't heard too many people argue it's a bad idea, but I also hear mostly Bitcoin holders saying it's a great idea. And I think this makes sense from both perspectives. Non-Bitcoin holders won't really care or understand it. They may even think Bitcoin holders just want someone to increase the price further. Bitcoin holders do understand it. They know it will obviously make them wealthy, and many also know it would be a great idea for America, just like it has been a great idea for anyone to buy and hold Bitcoin for the last 15 years. Here's a clear explanation of why the United States should adopt Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, with 5 key reasons that build the case step by step. 1. Protect America's global financial position. The US dollar is the most important currency in the world today, but that status is under threat. Other countries and people around the world are losing trust in fiat currencies like the dollar, euro, or yen. If they start moving to a new kind of global money, it's likely to be Bitcoin because nobody can print more of it. The best way for the US to stay ahead? Buy Bitcoin before the rest of the world does. 2. Bitcoin is the best form of money. If economic systems tend to converge on the one best form of money, because money solves the problem of barter, and Bitcoin is the best money because it has the most superior monetary properties, significant network effects, and the least uncertain future monetary policy, the US should act now. Bitcoin's perfect scarcity makes it an unmatched store of value. By accumulating Bitcoin before everyone recognizes this, the US secures a strategic advantage over competitors. 3. Strengthen the national balance sheet. The US is drowning in debt, with no politically viable way to seriously cut spending or raise taxes enough to fix the problem. Bitcoin provides a unique opportunity to grow the asset side of the national balance sheet. It's a way to restore financial stability without compromising on economic or political strength. 4. Leverage the dollar's unique power. MicroStrategy showed the world that issuing debt and buying Bitcoin can create incredible wealth, unlocking a new form of savings technology. The US, with its ability to issue dollar-denominated debt that it can print at will, is in a unique position to do the same. By using this advantage strategically, the US can strengthen its financial and geopolitical leadership, ensuring we remain a global leader for centuries to come. 5. Capture the biggest wealth explosion in history. Bitcoin has been the best performing asset of the last 15 years, sparking a massive repricing of financial assets and driving unprecedented wealth creation. If the US wants to remain the wealthiest nation in the world, it needs to act now. Accumulating Bitcoin today ensures America rides this wave of growth rather than getting left behind. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time.